Hey, I'm Megan with WTI. Welcome to the cupboard above my fridge. Typically, this is where our family of 4 stores all of our water bottles. As you can imagine, it tends to be a disaster because not only is it a higher reach, but if you're trying to find a water bottle or a travel mug that's deep in the back, it ends up knocking everything over as you try to pull it out. So I needed a solution, and this bottle storage rack by Vtopmart was exactly what I was looking for. I find the plastic to be really tough and sturdy, which is exactly what you want. So it's very stable. It doesn't wiggle around when you're moving bottles in and out. It was super easy to put together. Of course, you can get various amounts to suit your needs. I got the 4-stack one because we are a family of 4, so we have a lot of water bottles and we have a lot of travel mugs. If you feel like you're playing Jenga with your water bottles and your travel mugs, then I definitely recommend this stackable organizer, and that's my point of view.